This video presents to you the recommended installation method for the glass door Orion soft close hinge. Firstly, attach the Orion soft close hinge to the gate panel. Then tighten the spring tension so that the wall bracket is 90 degrees to the glass panel. After the hinges are attached to the gate panel, place the gate panel to the gate position. Use the spirit level to ensure that the gate is level and plumb, and determine the correct position for the gate. If you found that the wall is uneven, you should correct this by using packers to fill the gaps between the hinges and the wall surface. Use the extra length masonry drill bits included in the packaging can help avoid scratch the hinge plate surface during drilling. We will drill the outermost hole on the wall bracket and insert a wall plug that came in the box. Use the extra length screwdriver to tighten the screw to avoid scratch the hinge plate surface. Once the first outer screw is in place, perform a final check of the levelness and plumbness of the gate with a spirit level and adjust any issues if needed. Once the gate is level and plumb, proceed to drill the second outermost hole and secure the remaining outer screw on the other hinge. Once both hinges have been secured by the outer screws, remove the support structure and open the gate to test the opening and closing of the gate. Once the gate is tested, follow the previous steps to secure the remaining screws. Finally, adjust the tension to an appropriate level for the desired closing speed, and make sure to adjust both the top and bottom hinges at the same time, such that the difference between the top and bottom hinges is no greater than 1 level. The installation of glass door Orion soft close hinge is now complete. The glass door Orion hinge is also designed to be connected to a post adapter, simply attaching the adapter to the wall bracket to be compatible with installation to a different surface.